Looking for a kitchen scale that does more than just weigh your food? Imagine having a tool that not only delivers precision down to the gram but also gives you detailed nutritional info on over 2,000 foods. If that sounds like what you need, this kitchen scale might just change the way you cook and track your nutrition forever. From the moment you unbox it, you'll notice the quality and thoughtful design. It's sleek, easy to clean, and features touch-sensitive buttons that keep your kitchen hygienic. The backlit display is clear and easy to read, making it simple to get accurate measurements no matter the lighting. But what really sets it apart is the built-in database that shows calories and macro breakdowns, protein, carbs, and fats, right on the scale. No more guessing or relying on generic values. For example, one user shared how weighing an apple gave them exact calorie counts tailored to that specific fruit's size, not just an average estimate. That level of accuracy helps you hit your nutrition goals without the guesswork. The scale also shines when it comes to real-life use. One customer explained how it helped them control portions precisely, especially with calorie-dense foods like peanut butter. By zeroing out the plate and muffin, they could add peanut butter bit by bit until reaching their perfect serving size. This simple method revealed they'd been doubling their portions unknowingly, saving them from extra calories that went untracked before. It's clear this scale supports lifestyle changes and makes healthy eating manageable and transparent. Beyond performance, this kitchen scale reflects a commitment to ethics and community. Produced in partnership with ethical factories, a portion of every sale goes to charity, aligning with the values of mindful eating and sustainability. Plus, a dedicated support team based in St. Louis is ready to assist with any questions, ensuring you get the most from your purchase. If you're serious about precision, nutrition, and supporting a product with purpose, this kitchen scale is worth a look. It's more than a tool, it's a partner in your wellness journey. Try it when you're ready to bring accuracy and clarity to your kitchen routine.